Hi everyone, my name is Keith. I'm a machine expert with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant S5 sweeper. In this overview video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Okay, so before operation of the machine, we're going to go ahead and give it a good once-over. Starting up here at your control panel, we're going to make sure that all your buttons work properly and all your functions are functioning. So go ahead and hit that start button, and then just go through each button. So right here you've got your side broom, main brush, and vac fan for hard surface floors. So right here in the middle, you have your main broom and side broom used for outside sidewalks or small walkways. And over here, you have just your main broom and vac for carpet surfaces. Now, these are just suggested uses. Underneath your power button is your side broom lever. You want to go ahead and check that out and make sure it's not damaged. Now, this lowers and raises your side broom. While charging your machine, if you lift open this lid here, this will show you your charge indicator lights. Red means charging, yellow is roughly around 75%, and green means fully charged. Okay, so coming to the back side of the machine, a few things we want to look over. We want to check your shaker and make sure that it is working. Now you can open up your hopper, pull it out and make sure that it is clean. And then while we're in here, we're going to take a look at the filter underneath here to make sure that it is clean as well. Okay, right here on the side of the machine, this is your latch that raises and lowers your handle assembly. Take a look at it and make sure it's not broken or damaged in any way. Right here is your main wheel. You want to make sure that it is not damaged or gouged out in any way. So right here in the front of the machine, down here is your caster wheel. Give that a good once-over. Make sure it's not damaged or chipped or gouged out in any way. Come over here and take a look at your side broom and make sure it's not worn. You've got plenty of bristles and everything, and it's not damaged in any way as well. So we've flipped the machine on its back end just so we can take a look at the underside. So right here are your brushes. You want to make sure that these are not worn in any way. Take a look at your side skirts. A lot of the time you get that big debris in there that will break these skirts. So just make sure that they're not damaged in any way. Okay, opening up the lid of the machine, a few things you want to take a look at while inside here. Right here is where you raise and lower your main brush. Right here is your battery. You want to check your battery cables, make sure they are good and tight. Okay, right here is your vac fan cage. You want to make sure that it is not broken, the fins are not broken in any way, and you want to make sure that it is actually clean and free of debris. Then just go ahead and take a look at your cables and all your connections. So over here are your belts for your brushes. You want to take a look at these and make sure that they're not broken. Right here is your circuit breaker. Go ahead and make sure that it is not burnt or anything like that. Right above your circuit breaker is your kill switch. You want to take a look at that, make sure that the wires are good and connected. Okay, right here is your Anderson plug for your charger. You want to make sure that that is plugged in and that is not damaged or broken. And then just give your wires and connections a once-over real quick, and that about does it for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.